Hello everyone, my name is Prabha. Basically, I am from Mahendragarh, Haryana. I have completed my graduation B.Tech in Electronics and Instrumentation stream in 2013. As I'm always interested in IT sector, and one of my friend referred me in Evision. Evision is a very good platform for those who want to start his career in IT field. It is an online consulting company. I joined eVision in July 2023. Throughout this journey, I have learned a lot of knowledge about the basic networking, Windows administration, virtualization, CCNA, Linux, cybersecurity, and ITIL. After the completion of this course, I got through many interviews and now finally I got selected in Hitachi with CTC 2.8. I would like to thank you, Miss Sir, and Priya Ma'am, Sati Ma'am, and the whole teachers and the team who made this journey very smooth and very helpful for me. Thank you, Evision team.